before we do that, let me show you what the box itself looks like. All right, so let's take a look at the box here really quick before we get, a little complicated or it's harder to see when it's up in that heat shield. But you're going to route the cables to each side. So when you pull off the existing plug, which is going to look just like that, you're going to take the existing cable and plug it in here. So you'll take the male existing cable and plug it into this female, and then you're going to plug the new male into the controller. That's it on each side. Now I'll show you exactly when we route the cables underneath. And we're going to use zip ties to make sure that the cables are up and away in a safe location, but it really is that easy. Now the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have this be the downside, against the heat shield when it's in that void space. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of 3M adhesive set right here so it'll stick down. Now that space is just barely big enough for this box to fit into. So this box is not going to move really at all when we get it up in there, but I'm going to give it one more little bit to make sure that it doesn't move around and stays nice and secure. But it really is that easy. All right, y'all, so I've gone ahead and pulled those 6 little hat nuts down, and now this heat shield piece is down and loose, and you can lay it really right across the top of your exhaust pipes. Now, what I've gone ahead and done is I've tucked the Dahler box up here already, and like I said, I added 2 adhesive strips on the back side, so when we stick this down, and again, the box is going to be over here in the middle because that's the space where it'll fit nicely. But here's what the other thing you can do. You can also route your cabling where your heat shield is going to protect it as well. So go ahead and take the cable, this guy, for the far side and route it all the way and out the other side.